Good morning. Today, let's solve exercise 13.2 based on surface areas of cylinder. But before solving the exercise, let's recapitulate what we have learned in previous lecture. We learned surface area of a right circular cylinder. As you can see in figure, this is your right circular cylinder where R is the radius of the base of the cylinder and height h is the height of the cylinder. Now formulas related to right circular cylinder, which we in short call as cylinder only, is total surface area of cylinder, that is TSA of cylinder, is given by twice pi r into r plus h. Next, area of base of the cylinder, that is either it may be bottom part or top part, as both are circular, that is the area. To find the area of that circular shape, we use the formula pi r square. From that, if there are inner and outer two cylinders are given in this way, some rings are there inside, like what we are using in our water pipe, our gas pipe. These are all having two different radiuses. Inner radius is different and outer radius is different. So for such cylindrical shapes, area of base ring is equal to pi into r square minus r square, where capital R is external radius and small r is the internal radius. And next formula is curved or literal surface area of a cylinder, or you can say CSA or LSA of a cylinder, is given by 2 pi RH. Now let's solve exercise 13.2 using different formulas. Question number 1. The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 14 cm is 88 cm square. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. Now, according to the question, curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is given as 88 cm square. Also, the height of this right circular cylinder is given 14 cm. From that, first we use the formula of CSA of cylinder and then find out radius, and from radius we will find the diameter, as we have to find out the diameter according to the question. So for solution, let radius of base of cylinder is equal to r centimeter. Here, as we don't know the value of r, so we have supposed r is the radius of base of cylinder. Given height h is given as 14 centimeter and curved surface area of cylinder, that is CSA, is given as 88 centimeter square. Now we know that curved surface area of cylinder is equal to twice pi r h. Inserting the values, we get CSA is given 88 centimeter square, so we write curved surface area is 88 centimeter square equal to 2 into 22 upon 7, which is the value of pi, into r, which we have to find out, into 14, because height is given as 14. Solving further, we get implies that r equal to 88 upon 7 divided by 2 into 22 into 14. By solving it, we will get equal to 1 centimeter, because let's cross check by solving also. See, 22 ones are 22 and 22 fours are 88. Again 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. Again 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Again 2 ones are 2 and 2 ones are 2. So all will be cut and we get equal to 1 centimeter. Therefore, diameter of cylinder equal to 2 times radius. This we already have learned in lower level also, that diameter is nothing but twice radius. Inserting the values of value of radius, we get equal to 2 into 1, because above all you can see that radius we have found out that it is 1 centimeter. Therefore 2 into 1, so diameter will be equal to 2 centimeter. Next question. Question number 2. It is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter and base diameter 140 centimeter from a metal sheet. How many square meters of the sheet are required for the same? Now, we have to find out that how much sheet is required to make a closed cylindrical tank whose height is 1 meter and base diameter is 140 centimeter. Here you can see that height is given in meter and diameter is given in centimeter, and we have to find sheet in square meters. So we have to convert centimeter into meter for our answer. For solution, radius of cylindrical tank are equal to d upon 2, because radius is half of the diameter. That will be equal to 140 divided by 2, that is equal to 70 centimeter. Now as we have to find the answer in square meters, so we have to convert centimeter into meter here. Now 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter we know, so we divide it 70 centimeter by 100, so we will get meter, that is equal to 0.7 meter. Thus radius is 0.7 meter. Now first we find out the total surface area, as we have to find out how much sheet will be used to make this cylindrical tank. So we have to find total surface area, because we have to make the curved part along with the top and bottom. So TSA of closed cylindrical tank equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. Inserting the values equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 0.7 into 0.7 plus 1. For solving further, equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 0.7 into 1 plus 7. That will be equal to 7.48 meter square. Hence, sheet required to make the closed cylindrical tank will be 7.48 meter square. Question number 3. A metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. The inner diameter of a cross section is 4 centimeter, the outer diameter being 4.4 centimeter. Find its inner curved surface area, outer curved surface area and total surface area. In the question it is given that a metal pipe is 77 centimeter long, means the height of the cylinder will be here 77 centimeter. Now as pipe, you know, we all have seen any type of pipe which we use either in for supplement of gas or water. Such pipes have inner and outer diameter both. So inner diameter of this metal pipe is given as 4 centimeter and outer diameter is given as 4.47 centimeter. We have to find three things, that is inner curved surface area, outer curved surface area and total surface area. Now for question number 1, inner diameter of the cross section is given 4 centimeter, therefore inner radius equal to small r equal to 4 upon 2, that will be equal to 2 centimeter. Already length of metal pipe will be the height, so we write length of metal pipe equal to h equal to 77 centimeter. Now inner curved surface area equal to 2 pi r h. Inserting the values equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 2 into 77. For the solving, you know that we will get here 7 ones are 7 and 7 11s are 77. Like this, cutting and then multiplying the remaining numbers, we will get equal to 968 centimeter square. This is the inner surface area, inner curved surface area. Now we have to find outer curved surface area. So question number 2, for that outer diameter is given as 4.4 centimeter. Therefore outer radius, that will be equal to capital R is equal to 4.4 divided by 2, that will be that is equal to 2.2 centimeter. Again, as we have to find the CSA of outer pipe, so we will get, therefore outer curved surface area equal to 2 pi. Here we are using radius as capital R, so we write 2 pi capital R H. Inserting the values, equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 2.2 into 77. Again 7 ones are 7 and 7 11s are 77 will be cut, and remaining numbers we have to multiply. 7 ones are 7 and 7 11s are 77. Remaining numbers when we multiply, we will get the value equal to 1064.8 centimeter square. So outer curved surface area of the pipe is 1064.8 centimeter square. Now third, we have to find the total surface area. Now total surface area will be inner surface area plus outer surface area plus area of base rings. Yes, we have to count that as total surface area, that is equal to, now inner surface area we found that it is 968 centimeter square, plus outer surface area we found out 1064.8 centimeter square. So we write 968 plus 1064.8 plus. Now area of base rings already I have given in the flow chart, plus 2 pi into r capital R square minus small r square. Now actually formula 2 is not there, but here there will be two rings, one top part and one bottom part. So we write plus 2 pi capital R square minus r square. Inserting the values, we get this 968 plus 1064.8 will be giving 2032.8 plus 2 into 22 upon 7 into 2.2 square minus 2 square. Further solving, we will get equal to 2032.8 plus 5.28, that is equal to 2038.08 centimeter square. So total surface area is 2038.08 centimeter square. Next question, that is question number 4. The diameter of a roller is 84 centimeter and its length is 120 centimeter. It takes 500 complete revolutions to move once over to level a playground. Find the area of the playground in meters square. Here it is given a roller. Roller diameter is given as 84 centimeter and length, yeah, you can say height of the diameter is given as 120 centimeter. Now it is said in the question that if this roller is moving 500 complete revolutions, then one time it can come level the playground. Means after 500 revolutions we will get the area of the playground. So first here we find one time the curved surface area of roller and then multiply by it by 500, so we'll get the area of playground. But we have to find the area of playground in meter square, and our diameter and length of the roller is given in centimeter. So we have to keep in mind to convert the centimeter unit into meter unit. For solution, given diameter of roller equal to 84 centimeter, therefore radius of roller, that is small r, equal to 84 divided by 2, that is equal to 42 centimeter. Now CSA, that is curved surface area of roller, equal to 2 pi r h. Inserting the values, we get equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 42 into 120, as length of the roller is given 120, which will be the height of the roller. For the solving, equal to, we get CSA of roller equal to 31,680 centimeter square. This is CSA when the roller is moving one time. Now for total area of the playground, the roller has to move 500 times. Therefore total number of revolutions to level the playground is given as 500. Therefore, area of playground equal to 500 into 31,680 centimeter square. That will be equal to 1 crore 58 lakh 40,000 centimeter square. Now already in question we have to find the area in meter square. So we convert this into meter square, that is we will divide this by 10,000. So we'll get meter square in answer. That is equal to 1 crore 58 lakh 40,000 divided by 10,000 meter square. Since 1 meter square equal to 10,000 centimeter square, that will be equal to 1584 meter square. So the area of the playground is 1584 meter square. Next question. A cylinder pillar is 50 centimeter in diameter and 3.5 meter in height. Find the cost of painting the curved surface area of the pillar at the rate of rupees 12.50 per meter square. Yes. Now it is given that diameter and height of a cylindrical pillar is given. We have to find the cost of painting the curved surface area of the pillar at the rate of rupees 12.50 per meter square. For solution, diameter of cylindrical pillar equal to 50 centimeter. Always if diameter is given, we have to convert it into radius, because all the formulas we have to count the radius only. And you have to also see that the units are same or not. That is, radius of cylindrical pillar are equal to 50 up by 2, that will be equal to 25 centimeter. Now again this centimeter we convert into meter, because rate is given per meter square. That is, we divide 25 by 100, so we will get equal to 0.25 meter. Height of cylindrical pillar H equal to 3.5 meter. Already height is given in meter, so no need to worry. Now we have to find first the CSA, because we have to find the cost of painting the CSA. Therefore, curved surface area of cylindrical pillar equal to 2 pi RH. Inserting the values, we get equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 0.25 into 3.5. For the solving, because you know that when we can cut 7 with 35, that is we will cut like this, 7 ones are 7 and 7 35 means you will get 0.5, because 7 5s are 35, but here there is decimal before one digit, so we have to give 0.5, and then remaining numbers we have to multiply. That will we will be getting equal to, that is CSA of cylindrical pillar is equal to 5.5 meter square. Now already it is given that cost of painting per meter square CSA is equal to rupees 12.50. Therefore, cost of painting CSA of cylindrical pillar 5.5 meter square equal to rupees 12.50 multiplied by 5.5, that is equal to rupees 68.75. So the cost of painting the curved surface area of a cylindrical pillar is rupees 68.75. Next question. Question number 6. Curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is 4.4 meter square. If the radius of the base of cylinder is 0.7 meter, find its height. Again is the question, as curved surface area of cylinder is given, radius of base of cylinder is also given, and we have to find the height. So here we apply the formula of CSA of cylinder, insert the values and find the value of height. For solution, here radius R is given as 0.7 meter and curved surface area of cylinder, that is CSA of cylinder, is given as 4.4 meter square. But we know that, and we have to find the height of the cylinder, so we suppose that let height of cylinder be equal to H. But we know that curved surface area of cylinder, we use the formula 2 pi r h. Now curved surface area is already given 4.4, so we insert the value 4.4 equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 0.7, which is the radius, into h. We don't know the value of h, we have to find the value of h. Further solving, we have to transpose all the right hand side numbers on left hand side. This all we have to transpose on left hand side to find the value of h. So we get h equal to 4.4 into 7 upon 2 into 22 into 0.7. Again you can see that we can cut many things. Here you can cut 2 ones are 2 and 2 22s are. Again this 22 and 22 will be cutting. Here 7 ones are 7 and here 0.1 will come. That is h equal to 1 meter. Because here also 0.1 will be coming. Once 2 ones are 2 and 2, 2.2 will come. So again 22 ones are and this will be coming 0.1. Yes, this is 7 ones are and again this will be 0.1. So 0.1 upon 0.1 will be giving you 1 meter. Hence the height of cylinder is equal to 1 meter. Dear students, remaining questions of this exercise we will solve in next lecture. Please copy all the questions with solution in your regular CW. Thank you.